In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email header in Gmail. First, let's start by opening Gmail. You can do this by navigating to the Gmail website in your preferred browser. Once you are there, you will see your inbox filled with messages. This is the central hub for all of your emails. It's important to ensure you are logged into the correct account to avoid any confusion later on. You should see a clean, organized layout with your messages on the left and the details of each one displayed on the right. Once you see your inbox, you are ready for the next step. Next, click on the Compose button. This button is typically located in the upper left corner of your inbox. It's a bright button that stands out against the rest of the interface. By clicking Compose, you are opening a new email window where you can draft your message. This is a crucial step because it initiates the process of creating your email. You will notice a blank space where you can enter the recipient's email address, subject line, and your message. Keep this window open as we will add the header image shortly. Now, place the cursor at the top of the email. You can do this by clicking just above the body of your message. This is essential because you want your header image to appear right at the top of your email. Positioning your cursor correctly ensures that your header will be visible immediately. This small detail is important as it sets the tone for your email, providing a professional appearance right from the start. Next, click on Insert Photo. This option is usually represented by a small camera icon or an image icon in the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. By selecting this option, you are allowing Gmail to access the images stored on your device. This action is key to adding your customized header image to the email. Once you click on it, a menu will pop up, giving you several options to choose from. This step ensures that your email is visually appealing and representative of your brand. After that, you will upload your header image. You can either drag and drop the image into the upload window or select it from your files. Make sure the image you choose is the right one for your header. This is important because a well-chosen header image can enhance your message and make it stand out in the recipient's inbox. Once you select the image, it will begin to upload. You should see a progress indicator, reassuring you that your image is being added. Now you may need to resize the image if needed. Once the image is uploaded, you can click and drag the corners to adjust its size. This is a crucial step because a properly sized image will fit well in the email without overwhelming the text. A good-sized header image ensures clarity and professionalism. Take a moment to ensure that it looks just right. Remember, a well-designed header can make a significant impact on how your email is perceived. Next, type your email below the header. This is where you will write your message to the recipient. Positioning your text below the header maintains a clean and organized look for your email. It's important to ensure that your message is clear and easy to read. This is a great opportunity to convey your thoughts while the header image provides a visual context. Finally, click Send. Once you are satisfied with your email and header, sending it will deliver your message to the intended recipient. You might see a confirmation message indicating that your email has been sent successfully. This step is the culmination of your efforts to create a polished email. You can now rest assured that your email looks professional and effectively represents you or your business.